So I've decided to finally start driving the E36, and I don't regret it. I'm so happy the car's together. This is such an awesome car to drive. It's so weird because like it's not fast, but it's so torquey with the supercharger and the Vanos and everything on that it feels like I'm driving a V8 right now. It's pretty cool. But big news, picked up something pretty sick today. Right here. As you can tell, it's a head from an engine. Of course, it's the GTI head. So my buddy JP, s13, my go-to for any machine work, engine work, anything, banged it out for me super quick. New valve seals, fully cleaned, fully decked, everything. Ready to throw onto the GTI motors so we can get the GTI together and on the road for a bitchin' new daily. But saved me the old bent valves, and look how bad these things are. And look at the carbon deposit on this. Direct injection motors are gross pieces of technology. But yeah, so to tell you the truth, I really wanted to start putting the engine back together. But last night I didn't do my research enough, and I really don't feel confident just kind of winging it and throwing that engine together because it is such a pain in the ass. So unfortunately, I'm probably gonna hold off tomorrow to do that, but we can have some fun today.
Bro, chill.
I can't tap you.
You got the bando on you?
I got the heater on me in case people want to talk silly. Swap meet fines, $25. So when Drew's talking shit, I can just.
Well, B, today has been a total wash for me, so I figured the best way to end it is to possibly just do some S13 things.
Sounds like fun.
I didn't anticipate it being this cold tonight because it's been pretty warm out, but it is probably 42 degrees out tonight.
It was, no, it's colder than that.
Is it?
It's like 37, 38.
Oh, that is horrible.
Yeah.
So it's been like warm the past few nights, so I was like, okay, I'll drive the S13 home and we'll have fun with it. Like, we'll do some street things, whatever. And I haven't had heat in that car all season because I never felt the need to hook it up because it's been so damn hot. So I'm layered up and I'm hoping my nice fat downpipe heats my cabin up. So I'm gonna try my best to film this as much as I can. Wish me luck. Sound good?
Good luck, have fun. I'll be looking forward to the footage. Do a good job.
I'll try my best. I need a GoPro. It's gonna happen. I need to suck it up and buy a GoPro off like Craigslist or something. Sound like a plan?
Yeah, you do need a GoPro.
Yeah, I should probably get a GoPro. I'll catch you tomorrow, B. Peace. Drive safe. Fucked that corner up. I went way too slow. I was scared. I went way too slow. We'll go hit it again. This is a pretty cool. Pretty cool. See, this corner is perfect because there's no houses around, so I can make as much noise as I want. Alright, we're gonna try and manji up the hill. That was sick. That manji was so trash. Ribs in the road always freak me out because you'll go to transfer over the ribs and the car is like go, 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 go. Alright, we're going back for the first corner. Got a little drift in, so I feel a bit better. I'm still a little stiff from the cold, but the corner's so scary because it's fast, there's a drop off, and it's blind. I'm gonna try second. Okay, second is way too slow, but I had to throw it in the third or I was gonna hit the curb. So it looks like that's definitely gonna be a third gear drift, and holy crap, is that absolutely terrifying. All right, we're gonna see if we can get away with anything around here. All right, let's try and do some second gear shit. turn in third, but I'm kind of too scared to, I'm not gonna lie. I could just get it with second, but I'm maxing out the car. You guys can see at that time, second gear was maxed the fuck out. I went way too fast for second gear. The e-brake was able to let me extend that drift, so the second gear was usable. All right, I have to try it in third. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty freaking scared. All right, well, that didn't work. All right, so there's an on-ramp, and it looks like a third gear turn, but, and it's to the right, but I'm gonna see if I can do it in second, because I'm a pussy. I did two things wrong there. I didn't enter fast enough, and I definitely need to be in third gear. So I definitely got to grow some more balls when it comes to third gear, but we'll get there. And as you guys can probably see, I'm using a lot of e-brake. Now, I usually don't like initiating with my e-brake unless it's just like a really hot, fast entry. But on the street, if you use your e-brake, you can kind of set your car up better for the drift. If you clutch kick it, there's like this weird dead time of where you might actually spin out if you're not ready for it, and it's sketchy. So, e-brake and entry, it's kind of like it's a very cautious move, but for corners I've never drifted before, I'll happily use it, whatever. Oh, I needed third gear! I suck! This would have been so sick. I wasn't ready for it. I wasn't ready. I should have shifted. I'm such a bitch. Whatever. Alright, we're gonna hit this corner one last time. And as much as I want to do in third gear, I'm gonna send it in second because I know it's gonna be fun regardless. So I don't really feel like spinning out right here. Fuck it! I'll fucking take it! When I'm in second, you guys can hear I'm off the fucking limiter, and like, I'm just getting through the corners, and that's whatever. It's fun, it's getting a feel for the corners. A lot of these I've never really seen before, especially at night, so I'm kind of just winging it. I don't know, I think that's enough excitement for tonight. I want to stay out really bad, but I'm freezing. It is so cold in here. Alright, I hope you guys can see me because I'm kind of just using my iPhone to illuminate the cabin. But so today kind of was a bust because I wasn't able to film anything too interesting, though I did get a lot of stuff done, so I'm happy. But took a nice fun trip to Mexico and it was an awesome time. You guys heard me say it a million times. I need to step it up in the third gear. You guys can hear me off the limiter in second, and it's only because honestly I'm nervous. I mean, I'm literally it's a lot harder to drift when you're freezing, and being so cold at night, my first time on a lot of these corners, it's definitely nerve-wracking. But man, I need to go out with Jip or something some night soon and do this again because that was a blast. Going to Mexico and messing up the streets could be dangerous, so of course I'd be really careful and choose your spots wisely. Obviously, never choose anywhere too close to homes. Make sure you could see the corners. Make sure you could always see if cars are going to be coming. If not, have a spotter. And just don't be an idiot. So that was sick, but I'm gonna go inside because I'm absolutely freezing. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.